21 days of lockdown, and we are also going through 19 more days of lockdown. Business, professions, commerce, and trade have almost come to a standstill. These 40 days without any professional activity practically means that economy is going to take the beating. Yes, there are going to be challenges post-lockdown. Life after lockdown is going to be different. I think it is time for us to understand what are those key challenges that we will be facing, what actions and activities we need to take to rebuild this economy. Businesses will reopen, people will get back to their profession, but then situation is going to be different. We will have to get equipped with a few more aspects of our performance and activities so that we come back slowly to our own original economy. Yes, friends, challenges are many, but then we all will be careful to ensure that we take those actions which are extremely important for us to get back to the normalcy of our business and economy. What are those challenges? What are those actions? What are those key success factors which will become extremely important post-lockdown so that we all get back to normal? This is going to be the essence of discussions. One chapter each. JCI Navsari from JCI India, JCI Dehivela Mount Levania from JCI Sri Lanka, JCI Dhaka Uptown from JCI Bangladesh are getting together to organize a webinar. The webinar is titled Rebuilding Economy, and it is happening on 18th of April 2020 at 7:30 in the evening Indian Standard Time. There is a link which is being provided to you in this video. Ensure that you register yourself to participate in this international discussions.